Hey everyone, I'm Javon.
And I'm Kayla.
And welcome to our channel,
Lee
Fam
Fam
Reacts. Alright you guys, so today we have episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. Last episode, so speaking of last episode, if you're new here and you're just now seeing this video, we had some issues with our hard drive where everything that we stored on it pretty much just crapped the bed on us. Episode 3 of Chainsaw Man being one of the things that was on the hard drive. So that one's not even on Patreon or YouTube because it's on that hard drive on our channel. If you're seeing this and you're wondering where episode 3 is at, that's why. We are working to get the files recovered, or trying to figure out a way to recover the files so we can upload the videos that are...
If you know a good way, drop it in the comments below. Maybe help us out a little bit because we're new to this, so we're still looking for something.
Yeah. But yeah, so like I said, last episode, it was Denji and Power, and she was looking for Meowie.
We found that big bat guy.
Oh baby, the Bat Devil. And then pretty much the Bat Devil. Oh, yeah, we don't like them devils, baby. Pretty much, the Bat Devil told Power to bring him like a human sacrifice so she can get Meowie back.
Yeah. And
he pretty much lied to her, ate the cat anyway, and then ate her.
Right.
And then Denji just went ham and bodied him.
Right.
So.
Don't forget, guys, we do have a Patreon. So if you're looking for longer length reactions and just, you know, seeing some things that you can't see on YouTube, head on over there and subscribe to it. It's a fun time. There's some funny stuff in there that normally gets edited out. So we'd really appreciate it, you know, any support. And we just thank you guys. So without further ado, let's see episode 4.
All right, let's go. All right, let's get into it.
Ow.
All right. Camera. We're gonna begin in.
We're gonna bend in.
We're gonna bend in. 3. I thought I held up a 2. I'm like 3, but I can held up 3.
In 3, 2.
Pick number 3, my lord. All right, come on, let's go. I'm surprised he didn't go. Pick number 3, my lord.
We slept through an entire dance class like this with me screaming. I think we're good.
Man. Shrek. Peak fiction.
No!
I mean, come on. Dead. She just eats anything. Oh my god, my eyes right now. Nice. She is a fiend. She eats everything but the cat.
Meowie.
Oh dang, that boy malnourished.
Okay, you don't eat the head.
Oh, it looks like our neighbor's cat.
Yeah, the one that they lost.
Oh. Bro, she is a hot mess. Oh, so he's alive.
Oh, wait, they both are.
Look how plump he looks now.
I know.
Eating good. He's like, let me feel your boobies. Doesn't matter, because he's down bad. Yep. I told you. So pay me in food.
Yeah.
That boy don't play when it comes to
boobs. When it comes to the tatis.
You may fondle my chest. All right. Then you better be bricked up.
He actually got permission. Now he doesn't know what to do. Okay, just kidding. He's extremely excited.
Oh! What is that? What is that? Oh. What in the...
You're the problem, Mom.
You're the problem.
It's got there.
Little Timmy in his room making a bomb. Get out of my room, Mom.
Controversy.
You come home from school, little Timmy in the garage making a bomb. What are you doing, Timmy? Nothing, Mom. Get out of here now.
Oh, so you're the problem, Mom. If you know, you know. People did say we could watch the intros and the outros. It's pretty safe. They said so. Apparently, every ending has because remember how we said like every ending's different. Every ending pertains to that episode.
Oh, okay.
But we're still gonna, for now, not watch them, and I think we're gonna go back and just react to all of them, like all the openings and all the endings. Or I think there's only one opening, but then multiple different endings.
Okay. And
they said like the intro, excuse me, you guys. The intro is them like reenacting movie scenes or something like that.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So, but we're gonna skip it. My goodness, gassy. We're gonna skip it for now, and then yeah, we'll go back. Ew, I don't like this.
It's got udders.
Yeah. Long titted, no nipple. See, I gotta turn up again? Oh, I don't think I'll ever get used to that. Uh-oh. Performance issues. She can give you blood though, right? Because she can like pretty much manifest it. This thing is ugly. Oh, he was my man. Look like Junpei. Oh. Your subtitles lagging. Can he scrap like that? Oh, the animation, art and animation. Oh, crazy! Each episode has looked like a movie.
What is that?
Some type of worm. I don't know. The worm devil. Am I right? Worm devil. Just when he was about to get to feel some biddies, it's just the design. Who came up with that? It literally is like making me cringe. Yeah.
Hey.
You don't want to cop a feel on those?
Right, I was gonna say that too.
Got 6 of them things. If the subtitles keep lagging, I'm gonna try and pause it. Murderize. Ew. I hate how they animate that thing. Kind of reminds me of like Zoidberg when he's naked. I'm surprised he's fighting this well, like not in the chainsaw form.
I mean, he was a double hunter before he met.
Oh, yeah, sure.
You know. What's the dog's name again?
Pochita.
Pochita. Ruh-roh.
Yeah, mollywopped. I'm gonna say, you gonna help him out or you just gonna sit there?
Nothing happened to her. Get up. He swallowed you whole. It's not like you're hurting.
Pause.
They're all those guts.
Pause real quick just to see if it'll... I just don't know why it's lagging like that. Oh. Oh. He's fine. That's a lot of blood, but he's fine. Come on, Power. Oh. Oh.
We're gonna see him?
Woo! Dang, that was sick.
Hang on. Hang on.
You would pause it?
He has a massive dog.
He said...
Wolf thing?
That's
what I would want.
That's sick. Oh, gang. Alright. New characters.
Said.
Leech. Oh, it was a leech. Leech dog.
A leech. That makes sense.
Himino.
Why is she just laying there? We love Maui.
Oh. Oh.
It's a fox. Okay. Not a dog. Wolf. All in the same family.
Not Pochita. He did throw the car with him in it.
Mm-hmm. Why did he peel the apple like that?
Mm.
He is really against being friends with people like them. Fiends.
Well, remember, his whole family was murdered
Yeah,
by...
I get it.
He looks so different with his hair down.
Mm-hmm.
The old crest. Or Aquafresh.
We love good dental hygiene.
That fresh brew.
That coffee. Cancer sticks. Mm-hmm. This man's in his jams.
Can I get to the jams?
Sweet jams.
That boy a chef.
Curry?
It's power.
Dang.
It's for sure power. Oh, dang. Just gonna break my door like that?
Meow.
New roommate.
He's like,
The
ugh.
trio. I love curry.
Looks great.
Girl. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh boy. We're about to have a heart attack. Oh. Whoa.
7 minutes in heaven. Oh.
Oh my god.
Is he like daydreaming or is this actually happening?
I think this is for real. Three squeezes.
He is losing his crap.
Alright, you guys, that was episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. So pretty much in that one we got to meet, well, they only said the name of one of the new people that showed up was, I think it was Himino, the girl with the eye patch that showed up with Aki.
Oh.
He said
yeah.
Well, they didn't really introduce anybody else, but he did say her name. What else? Right after the Bat Devil was beaten, the ugly freaking Leech Devil, like, oh, it literally made me cry. I don't like the design of that one. It was very
makes you physically uncomfortable to look at. Very
fluid. Yeah. That's my best word I can think of describing it. You waking up, buddy? He always sleeps with one eye open. But pretty much Power told Denji, she's like, look.
Your efforts have earned you.
She's like, go ahead.
3 squeezes.
3 squeezes of the biddies.
Lord.
That's probably literally going to stay his motivation throughout the whole series. I'm assuming we're 4 episodes in. There's only 12 episodes.
What if it's like a, like just an ongoing deal that they have with each other? Like if he does something for her that earns you so many squeezes.
Don't worry about it. Like he was breathing so hard that he's like,
ew.
Yeah. We're ready to squeeze them. You're like, come on.
Stop. We're done. Okay.
You're done. Yeah, no, it was a cool episode. Like I said, I feel like each episode has looked just incredible as far as like animation and the art has gone. You can tell that Mappa put a lot of time into making this show.
Yeah.
Hopefully the last part of AOT looks just as amazing.
I'm sure it will. I mean, all of the ones that I've seen by Mappa have been great so far.
I'm excited for Jujutsu Kaisen to come back this summer.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of good anime dropping this summer, and we were looking forward to it. Looking forward to the next episode. Looking forward to all the animes coming out. Make sure you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out when our reactions drop next. Until then, Elite Fam,
see you at the next reaction.